I'm Matt Aukus, one of the owners here at Carz, Machesney Park, Illinois, and we're your automotive center of choice with pre-owned vehicles available as well. Now, you may be looking for a home for your vehicle's maintenance repairs. This is a tricky journey, and we are here to help you. Transparency is the key to this journey. We do digital inspections, videos, pictures, to give you an exact picture of what's going on with your vehicle and why we're recommending what we're recommending. So that is very important. We've all had that experience where we don't quite trust the recommendation, or we feel that it was over-recommended. We want you to know exactly what we're recommending and then be able to budget for it if it's not an immediate need. So this really helps that process and gives you comfort in what we're recommending. Okay, our 3-year warranty is the best in the area. And another big item here at Carz Russ is our service. We have loaner cars, we've got pickup and drop off, we've got shuttle service, we've got a night drop box, we've got everything to make your day convenient and be able to service your vehicle with minimal to no interruptions. We've got a text to pay feature. We text you during the day to keep you updated on the vehicle status. So everything that you desire as a customer to keep you informed and know the pricing that you're going to have before you are picking up your vehicle, that's what we're going to provide you here at Carz Russ Machesney Park, your one-stop shop for all your mechanical needs and a vehicle that you're looking to purchase.
877-4277